Are you interested in studying nursing in Australia? Australia is well known for having one of the best healthcare related courses on offer in the world. This is why Australia has been identified as having 11 of the world's top 50 institutions that teach nursing for 2019 by the QS World University Rankings. Healthcare is one of Australia's fastest growing employment sectors, and the demand for healthcare services will continue to increase given Australia's aging population. Top healthcare job opportunities that are in demand are in nursing and midwifery. It's no surprise that nursing is highly sought after because it offers a stable and rewarding profession. Nurses experience a strong job satisfaction due to the help they provide patients. In this video, we'll look at the opportunities and pathways that are available to you to study nursing and building a career in this field as an international student or new migrant to Australia. Hi, I'm Buki Adelaja. I'm the founder of Youenrol Education and the presenter of Youenrol's videos, and you're watching another episode on the Youenrol channel. On this channel, we'll provide you with all the information you need about studying, living, as well as working in Australia without you having to pay costly consultant fees no matter where you are in the world. Our mission is to make your life easier by being your go-to destination for up-to-date information about studying, living and working in Australia. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our new videos. The fields of study in nursing are diverse, with nurses helping patients through the more difficult times of their lives. Skills needed are compassion, good communication, as well as the theoretical and medical practical knowledge. So the benefit of studying nursing is that you can work in Australia and other parts of the world easily. When you complete your degree in nursing, you can join the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, which is the professional body for nursing in Australia. The benefits of joining such an organization include the opportunity to network with other professionals and also the provision of job opportunities. Furthermore, you receive the recognition of the qualification in your field and can continuously develop your skill and your knowledge. What are nursing course fees like? Fees are normally around $28,000 for a course in nursing and about $41,000 for a double degree in nursing and midwifery. The major types of subjects in nursing are physiology, science, biology, anatomy, legal issues, and principles of research. What about career opportunities? Registered nurses benefit from interesting work in a variety of fields, and these include critical care, emergency, mental health, community, hospital healthcare, oncology nursing, and pediatric nursing. As you progress in your studies and even start clinical placement, you are likely to develop an idea on where you would like to develop your nursing career. If you are an international student, studying and becoming a nurse also can offer a pathway to permanent residency in Australia, as the profession is currently one of the occupations in demand in Australia. The Department of Home Affairs website can provide you more information if you want to know more about study and visa options. With regards to nursing salary expectations, the average salary for a nurse is about $65,000 per year. However, this can vary based on the location and the employer. What are the nursing course options? Nursing courses are generally at least 18 months to 3 years in length. Some popular courses available to study in Australia are nursing with the University of Technology. A Bachelor of Nursing at the University of Technology or UTS in Sydney is 3 years in duration. Subjects covered are behavioral science, physical science, ethics, and subjects related to modern nursing practice. There is also nursing with Western Sydney University. Studying a Bachelor of Nursing at Western Sydney University equips you with the theoretical and practical knowledge to thrive in the area of nursing you choose to specialize in. So in this degree, you will benefit from the state-of-the-art clinical technology to prepare you thoroughly for the workforce. The course duration is about 3 years. Nursing with the Australian Catholic University or ACU. ACU is closely affiliated with hospitals, which helps ensure their students benefit from rewarding clinical placements. At ACU, you could benefit from a work placement in a variety of fields, and this includes aged care, community, mental health, pediatrics, or palliative care. You can find out more about these courses from the respective institution's website. Now, here are some tips on how you can prepare for the workforce and interviews in the nursing field. You should ensure you're familiar with the key selection criteria or skills or experience requirements in the advertised job position. You will normally be asked some behavioral questions on clinical scenarios, problem solving, how you deal with practical solutions, teamwork, and leadership. Recruiters would also be interested to know about your training as well as your knowledge to ensure there's a good fit between you and the role. So it's recommended that you research the type of organization you will be joining and also to check if your values are aligned to theirs. So how do you enroll in the Bachelor of Nursing course in Australia? Each higher institution or university will have their own procedures as well as enrollment requirements. An international student applicant must comply with English language proficiency. You must have a valid student visa and passport. Have academic transcripts and qualifications from your home country. Also, you may provide a work experience statement or reference letter from universities or professional registration if applicable. Can you apply for permanent residency in Australia after studying nursing? You can be a graduate of nursing or can be fresh out of high school from overseas, or you will need to follow some steps to be able to get permanent residency in Australia. The Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, AHPRA, is a registered agency that can help you study a 3-month bridging course, or you can register with them to become a nurse after you graduate. Note that if you have already studied nursing overseas, you will need to satisfy English proficiency requirements. Also, you will need to register with the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency. You will need to hold or be eligible to obtain valid student visa to study. Students who already registered with AHPRA will need to apply for skill assessment that is delivered by the Australian Nursing and Midwifery Accreditation Council. You must express your interest to apply for permanent residency. You must ensure you meet the latest permanent residency application requirements. The conditions for applying for permanent residency are subject to changes, so it's best to keep an eye on the Australian Home Affairs website for these changes. If you are interested in midwifery, here are some universities that can offer midwifery courses in Australia. Note that you can study specific midwifery courses in Australia or as a double major with nursing. So here is a breakdown by state. In Victoria, Monash University for Bachelor of Nursing and Bachelor of Midwifery. Also, Deakin College for Bachelor of Midwifery. In South Australia, University of South Australia for a Bachelor of Midwifery. Flinders University, Graduate Certificate, Diploma and Bachelor of Midwifery. In Queensland, University of Queensland for Bachelors of Midwifery. In New South Wales, Southern Cross University of Sydney, Bachelors of Midwifery. In Western Australia, Edith Cowan University, Bachelors of Science in Midwifery. In the Northern Territory, Charles Darwin University, Bachelor of Midwifery. In the Australian Capital Territory, University of Canberra, Bachelor of Midwifery. If you like to work in Australia as a nurse or midwife, what do you need to do? The Nursing and Midwifery Board of Australia is responsible for determining the pathway for the registration of nurses in Australia. So, your first step at this stage is to contact the board. Note that it's likely you would need to undergo a bridging course to become registered as a nurse in Australia. Thanks for staying to the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel as well. Also, click the bell icon to find out when we release new videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.